There's lots of different ways that you can get icons and buttons for your Schoology page. So I just want to show you a few of them. The for easiest is just to do a Google search. You could, if I wanted like a what's new button, I might search that and then click on images and see what comes up. So lots of different what's new buttons. If I wanted this one, I would just click on it and then I can right click and say save image as. Or you can even copy and paste the image into one of the pages in Schoology. I'll show you that a little bit later. You can also use like some people like to use Google Slides, and they kind of create each slide is a button, and you can as you notice this person resized their slides because they wanted square buttons, and you can when once you're ready, you click on the file and you say download, and you say I'm going to download as a JPEG or a PNG. I usually do a PNG image file, and it's only going to download the one slide at a time. But I'll just call this button one. And then when I click on it, this is now an image file that's just that one slide. So this image can now be added to Schoology. You would just have to click on each slide and download each slide separately. The third option is to check out Canva. If you haven't checked out Canva, you can go to canva.com, and in the top right hand corner, just say log in and log in with your FM Schools Google account, and it'll automatically put you in our subscription. When you're in Canva, you can search like buttons to kind of just see what comes up. They have tons of educational templates and buttons in there. So there's a lot of buttons already here that would actually work that you wouldn't even have to redo. So if I like wanted this button on my page, I would just open it in Canva. I can modify it if I can change it around or add different images or change the text. And once I've edited it, I'm going to go up and say share, and I'm just going to say download, and you're going to download it as a PNG file, which is an image file. You could also use JPEG, but I tend to just always stick with PNG when I'm posting them to the internet. And then just hit download, and that will prompt you to save this button on your computer. Call it button 2. And now that is also just an image file that you will be able to add to Schoology.